Welcome to Vedanti tutorial. This is Gunapriya. In before section, we have learned problems on equation of circle when they have given 2 points and one equation. Now, in this section, we are going to learn equation of circle for 3 points. Now, let's see what's the question here. Find the equation of circle using 3 points. By using 3 points, we have to find out the equation of circle. The points have given 3, 4, 3, 2 and 1, 4. So, first equation of circle, what's the substituting these 3 points in the circle equation and find out 3 equation form. Okay, first point what passes through 3, 4. That equals to 3 whole square plus 4 whole square plus 2g into 3 plus 2f into 4 plus c equals to 0. This is our point which we have substituted here. Now find out the equation. 9 plus 16 plus 6g plus 8f plus c equals to 0. 9 plus 16 is 25 plus 6g plus 8f plus c equals to 0, which is our first equation. Likewise, we have to substitute 3, 2. That is second point. Passes 3, 2. 3 whole square, 2 whole square, 2g into 3 plus 2f into 2 plus c equals to 0. 9 plus 4 plus 6g plus 4f plus c equals to 0. That means 13 plus 6g plus 4f plus c equals to 0, which is our second equation. Likewise, substitute 1, 4. 1, 4 equals to 1 whole square plus 4 whole square plus 2g of 1 plus 2f of 4 plus c equals to 0. 1 plus 16 plus 2g plus 8f plus c equals to 0. 17 plus 2g plus 8f plus c equals to 0. These are the equating 1 and 2. Equating first one and second one. Now equating first term with second term. So this is the first equation. This is the second equation. Now equating 1 minus 2. So here this is the plus. So we have to cancel the one term. So to cancel we have to change the symbol minus. So for whole equation minus, minus, minus. So CC will get cancelled. 6G also will be get cancelled. And we will get 4F plus 12 equals to 0. 4F equals to minus 12. F equals to minus 3. Now solving 2 and 3. Here minus, minus, minus. CC will get cancelled. And 4G minus 4F. Here minus 4 equals to 0. So take 4 as common. G minus F minus 1 equals to 0. And if 4 goes that side means it will become as 0. So G minus F minus 1. F, that is minus 3 minus 1. So plus 3 minus 1 equals to 0. Then G equals to minus 2. That's it. Substitute GF value in any of the 3 equation, either in 1 or 2 or 3. Now I am substituting the GF value in equation 1. So 6 into minus 2 plus 8 into minus 3 plus C plus 25 equals to 0. Minus 12 minus 24 plus C plus 25 equals to 0. Minus 36 plus C plus 25 equals to 0. C minus 11 equals to 0. C equals to 11. So we have got G equals to minus 2, F equals to minus C, C equals to 11. No. Now we have to substitute these three values in the equation, circle equation. That only they asked. They asked to find out the equation of circle. So at last we get x square plus y square plus 2g means you substitute here, and f means minus 3y and plus 11 equals to 0. So x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11 equals to 0. This is the equation which we have got for this 3 points. Okay. Next we'll go for another problem. Now this is the another problem to find out the equation of circle by using these 3 points, that is 1, 2, 3, minus 4, 5, 6. Now what we know? Let the required circle equation. What we know the circle equation? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. This is our required circle equation. Now passing 1, 2, let be this. Okay, now passing this equation, this is a 1, same as before problem only. Now substitute this point in first equation. Now 1 square plus 2 whole square plus 2g into 1 plus 2f into 2 plus c equals to 0. 1 plus 4 plus 2g plus 4f plus c equals to 0. 5 plus 2g plus 4f plus c equals to 0, which is our second equation. Likewise 9 plus 16 plus 6g minus 8f plus c equals to 0, that equals to 25 plus 6g minus 8f plus c equals to 0, which is our third equation. In this, substitute the 5, 6 point in the equation number 1. This is the third point which I have substituted in this equation. Then we will get 61 plus 10g minus 12f plus c equals to 0. Now we have to solve. On solving, now we have to find out g, f, c value. Now we have to solve the equation 2 and 3. We will get these two equations. So to cancel, see what we have to reduce. Here minus, here plus is there. So plus, here plus is there means minus, here minus. So CC will be get cancelled and we will get here minus 20. 2 minus 6 minus 4g. 4f plus 8f is plus 12f equals to 0. Now 5 plus g, here minus. Okay, minus into minus plus. Okay, minus 4 will go that side means it will become 0. So g minus 3f plus 5 equals to 0, which is our fifth equation. By solving 2 and 3, we will get the fifth equation. Now we have to solve 3 and 4. Now here I am taking 3 and 4 to solve. You can take any of that. You can take 2 and 4 also. You can take 4 and 2. That your wish. Whatever you can solve by using these three equations. But answer should be right. But answer will be the same whatever you take the equations. Now I have taken in before I have taken 2 and 4 and solving 2 and 4 I have got fifth equation, and now 3 and 4 will get the sixth equation. Okay, now here minus plus minus 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 36. 6 minus 10 minus 4g plus 4f. CC will be get cancelled. It will be the 0. Now take as common here. What we have to take here? Here g is in the minus. So you take common as minus 4. So 4, 9 plus g minus f equals to 0. So g minus f plus 9 equals to 0, which is our sixth equation. So while solving 2 and 4, we will get fifth equation. While solving 3 and 4, we will get sixth equation. Now we have to solve 6 and 5. In before problem, we got cancelled G value. So it is easy for us. Now here only the C has get cancelled. Now we have to solve. Now again we will get two equations here. Sixth and fifth equation. Now here I am solving 5 and 6. You can use this method also. GF1. This method also you can use for finding GF. Okay, now we'll go here. So minus, a plus is there, minus. G will be get cancelled. 9 minus 9 plus 5 is minus 4. So minus 2f equals to 0. So 2f equals to minus 4, f equals to minus 2. Now substitute f equals to minus 2 in any of this equation, either in 5th or either in 6th. Now I am substituting. This is easy. Why? Because here multiplication is there. So g minus f plus 9 equals to 0. Substitute f in, this is 6th. This is 5 in 6. Now g minus of minus 2 plus 9 equals to 0. Plus 9 equals to 0. G equals to minus 11. Now substitute f and g value either 2, 3, 4. Any of 3 equation which we have substitute this 3 point which we have substitute in this equation. In any of the 3 equations substitute f and g. Now substitute. See which equation is for you to reducing the steps. Okay. Now substitute g and f in. Now I am substituting. Now substituting g and f in the equation 2. Substitute t into minus 11 plus 4 into minus 2 plus c plus 5 equals to 0. Minus 22 minus 8 plus c plus 5 equals to 0. So minus 30 plus c plus 5 equals to 0. C is 25. If minus 25, if that goes that side means c is 25. Now substitute g, f, that means f, g, c value in this circle equation. Then we will get x square plus y square minus 22x minus 4y plus 25 equals to 0. This is our circle equation. Substitute here in g value. That will be minus 22 minus 4y. This is the equation which we have find out for this 3 equation. It looks bigger, but it is very easy when you write with step by step, and it is very important also. Okay. Before going to the problem, let's discuss a small topic. If we circle on intercepts. So intercepts. Intercept. Okay. If a circle, that means intercept. If a circle having x and y intercept, just like if a straight line passing through between, this is the x intercept and this is the y intercept in a coordinate system. Similarly, if a circle cuts with an x points, this is the x intercept. This region is called x intercept, and this is the center minus g comma minus f. Then the equation for this of circle, which is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0, which is a general form. Then the x intercept will be, this is a and b, that means the distance. Here the distance of AB will be equals to 2 root of g square minus c, which is the formula for this x-intercept. Similarly, for y-intercept, 2 root of f square minus c. This is the intercept equation. That means intercept formula. If a circle for x-intercept is 2 root of g square minus c, and for y-intercept, this is for y-intercept. Don't confuse. So, the problem on intercept. Find the equation of circle passing through, that means 0, 0 means origin. So, the equation is passing through the origin and making intercept 4, 3 on x-axis and y-axis respectively. That means intercept on x-axis is 4, intercept on y-axis means 3. X-intercept is 4 and y-intercept is 3. In before only we have learned the intercept formulas. Okay. Now, given what point? Given point is our 0, 0. So, what first? We have to make parts. Okay, this is first part. Find the equation of circle passing through 0, 0. What's the required equation? Required equation. Equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Now, what's the given point here? X, y. So, 0 plus 0 plus 0. So, anything will be 0. That means 2g into 0. So, 2f. Okay. So, c equals to 0. That means we'll get c as 0 when a point origin is passing through the equation of circle, means the equation will be c equals to 0. Now, and making that what the equation of circle making intercept. Whatever we know before, we only learned the x-intercept of, let's think this is the equation 1. Now, the equation 1 equals to 4. So, they have given that. So, what we know? Root of g square minus c equals to 4. Root of g square minus c means 2 ones are 2 twos are. So, if root be placed here, what we know, the c is 0. So, minus 0 equals to 0. So, g. Likewise, do for y-intercept. Okay. This is the x-intercept. And next we go for y-intercept. What's the formula for y-intercept? The y-intercept of equation 1. What they have given? 3. What's the formula for y-intercept of equation of circle? Square minus c equals to 0. 2 into f square minus z equals to 0. So, root of x. So, if this type, you have to do here squaring. So, squaring. In before x-intercept also, you have to do like this one. Squaring. So, 2 root of f square whole square equals to 3 whole square. So, 4 into 4 f square. That means root will be cancelled here. And 9 f square equals to 9 by square 4. F equals to, if root goes that side means here will become plus or minus. So, 9 by 4 and f equals to plus or minus 3 by 2. And same for g also, plus or minus 4. Don't do here direct cancel. You have to do squaring. Then after you have to write here plus or minus. The f g equals to plus or minus 2. Okay. Now, have to substitute g, f, c in the equation 1. So, substitute f, g, c in equation 1. Then you will get x square plus y square plus 2 into plus or minus 2x. Don't forget to write here plus or minus. plus 2 into, I'll write here, plus 2 into plus or minus 3 by 2. Why? C is 0. So our required equation is, here 2 will be get cancelled. So plus or minus 4x plus or minus 6y equals to